Stop watching English movies the comfortable way. If you've watched movies, series, or Netflix in English for months or years, but you still can't speak confidently, the problem is not your level. It's how you watch. Most learners turn movies into entertainment, but movies should be training. Today, I'll show you how to watch movies so your brain actually learns to speak, not just understand. Listen carefully. Watching English movies without a system is like going to the gym and only watching other people exercise. You enjoy it. You feel motivated, but your muscles don't grow. Fluency works the same way. Here's the first rule. Never watch a full movie to practice English. That sounds strange, but it's true. Full movies make your brain passive. Your brain relaxes. It stops working. Instead, you will work with small pieces, very small, one scene, less than 1 minute. That's all you need. Choose a scene where 2 people are talking. This situation is normal, daily life. No shouting, no action. Simple English is powerful English. Now watch the scene once without subtitles. Don't panic if you don't understand every word. You are not listening for words. You are listening for meaning. Ask yourself, are they calm? Are they annoyed? Are they joking? Understanding emotion is more important than understanding vocabulary. Now, replay the same scene. Pause after one sentence. Repeat the sentence out loud. Copy the speed. Copy the rhythm. Copy the feeling. Don't change the words yet. Just copy. This trains your mouth and ears to work together. Now comes the part most learners never do. Mute one character. When that character speaks, you speak instead. You don't need perfect sentences. Short answers are fine. Even 1 or 2 words is enough. Your brain is now under pressure, and that's good. Pressure forces fluency. If you stop to think, don't worry, just speak something. Wrong English is better than silent English. Now take one sentence from the scene. For example, I didn't expect that. Say it again. Now change one word. I didn't expect this. I never expected that. I wasn't ready for that. You're not memorizing. You're creating. This is how movies turn into real speaking ability. One important rule about subtitles: never use subtitles in your native language. That forces translation. Translation blocks speaking. If you use subtitles, use English only and only on the second watch. First watch, no subtitles. Second watch, English subtitles. Never your language. Now, listen carefully. Watching many scenes is a mistake. Repeating one scene deeply is what works. 5 minutes with one scene is better than 1 hour of random watching. This is how actors learn lines. This is how your brain learns English. Most people fail because they treat movies as entertainment. You will treat them as training. And there is one specific type of scene that accelerates speaking much faster than others, and one common scene type that actually slows your progress. Now, let me tell you which scenes help you speak faster and which ones slow you down. Avoid action scenes, explosions, chases, loud music. They look exciting, but they teach almost nothing. Avoid fast arguments too. People talk over each other, cut sentences, use heavy slang. Your brain gets confused, not trained. The best scenes are simple. To people, one clear situation, normal emotions, coffee shops, homes, offices, friends talking, co-workers discussing plans. This is the English you need in real life. Now, here's something very important. Don't try to sound like the actor. You are not acting. You are training. Your goal is not a perfect accent. Your goal is automatic response. That's why speed matters more than correctness. When you pause too long, you translate. When you translate, fluency dies. So if your sentence is broken, good. If it's simple, good. If it comes out fast, perfect. Here's a powerful trick. After you practice a scene, turn the movie off. Yes, turn it off. Now, explain the scene out loud in your own words. Very simple. They met, they talked, they had a problem, they solved it. This forces your brain to recall English without support. That's real speaking practice. Another mistake learners make is switching movies every day. Don't do that. Use the same movie or series for 1 week. Your brain gets familiar with voices speaking, speed common phrases, familiarity builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Now listen carefully to this rule. Never watch English movies silently in your head. If you think a sentence, whisper it. If you hear a good line, repeat it quietly. Sound matters. English must come out of your mouth even softly. Silent English stays passive. Spoken English becomes active. You don't need hours. You need intention. 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough if you do it correctly. Most learners watch for years and stay stuck. You will practice for minutes and move forward. And there is one final adjustment. You can make a small change that turns movie practice into real-life conversation confidence, especially before speaking to real people. This final adjustment is about timing. Most learners practice movies at random times. Whenever they feel like it, that's a mistake. The best time to practice with movies is right before you need English, before a call, before a class, before meeting someone, before going outside. Why? Because your brain remembers what it uses recently, not what it studied yesterday. Here's what you do. Choose one short scene you already practiced before, not a new one. Watch it once, shadow 1 or 2 lines. Mute and respond once. That's it. 3 minutes. Your brain switches into English mode. Now, when you speak to real people, English comes out faster because it's already active. Another important thing, don't wait to feel confident. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. Confidence follows. If you wait until movies feel easy, you will wait forever. Fluency grows while things still feel uncomfortable. That uncomfortable feeling, that's your brain changing. One more rule. Never judge your speaking during practice. No, that sounded bad. No, my grammar's wrong. No, my accent is terrible. Judgment slows you down. Movies give you models, not standards. You borrowed the language. You don't compete with it. If you speak one sentence today that you couldn't speak yesterday, you are improving. Even if it's simple, even if it's broken, that's progress. Now imagine this. Every day, one scene, 10 minutes. Speaking out loud. After 1 week, your brain stops freezing. After 1 month, English starts coming automatically. Not perfect, but alive. And there is one last mistake I haven't mentioned yet, a mistake that silently destroys movie-based learning for many people without them realizing it. Once you understand this, your practice becomes much more effective. That last mistake is passive comfort. When movies feel easy, relaxing, and effortless, your brain is not learning. Learning happens when you are slightly uncomfortable, when you pause, respond, and struggle a little. So if a scene feels too easy, change it. Speak faster. Mute earlier. Respond with your own words. Always push just a little. Now let me give you a simple rule to remember. If you only watch, you improve listening. If you speak with the movie, you improve fluency. Movies are not magic. Your actions make them powerful. From today, don't ask, how many movies did I watch? Ask, how many sentences did I speak? That question changes everything. Choose one movie or series you enjoy. Use it for practice. One scene, 10 minutes every day. No pressure, no perfection, just consistent speaking. If you do this correctly, movies stop being entertainment and start becoming your personal English trainer. I'm Alex from FluentEcho English, and remember, don't watch English to relax. Watch English to speak. See you in the next practice.